Next, find y. If this is given, now what is given? 1 by 9 raised to 2i minus 1 into 0.0081 raised to 1 by 3, the whole upon root of 243 equals to 1 by 3 raised to 2i minus 1 into cube root of 27 raised to y minus 1 upon 10,000. Okay, now this is given. This is quite a bigger problem and tougher one, so pay neat attention. Now remember few things about this, few important points. Square root of 243 means what? What is 243? It's 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 4 is 81, 3 raised to 5 is 243, 3 raised to 3 is 27, 81 is 9 square or 3 raised to 4, 27 is 3 cube. These basics you must remember and then solve the problem. So let's solve left hand side first. 1 upon 9 the whole raised to 2y raised to 2y minus 1. So this will immediately bifurcate. We will bifurcate into 1 upon 9 raised to 2y into 1 upon 9 raised to minus 1, and in bracket 0.0081 it is. But what is 0.0081? It is 0.09 square, right? Because 9 square is 81 and adjust the zeros 2 to 4. Okay, so 0.09 the whole 0.09 square raised to 1 by 3. The whole upon 243 is what? 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5 upon 1 raised to 1 by 2, right? Because this is a square root. So this square root becomes 1 by 2. Okay. Next, bring everything to 3. That is what is required. So 1 upon 3 raised to 2 into 2y, because 9 is square of 3. Similarly 1 upon 9, this will become 9 and this will bring to 3 later. Then 0.09 is what? 0.3 square, but it's already written 0.09 square, so it will be 0.3 raised to 4, right? The whole raised to 1 by 3 upon your denominator becomes 3 raised to 5 by 2. Correct? Clear up to this point? Next, 1 upon 3 raised to 4y into 9 becomes 3 square into this 0.3 becomes 3 upon 10 raised to 4 by 3. Okay, in denominator 3 raised to 5 by 2, same as it is. Then solve. Now we'll have to bring everything to 3. So 1 upon 3 needs to be brought to 3. So it becomes 3 raised to minus 4y. 1 upon 3 raised to 4y means 3 raised to minus 4y into 3 square into 3 raised to 4 upon 3. Now where is this 10? This 10 goes in the denominator. So in denominator becomes 3 raised to 5 by 2 as it is into 10 raised to 4 by 3. Correct? Clear up to this point? Let's move ahead. So in the numerator now, the bases are same. Add them. So 3 raised to minus 4 plus 2 plus 4 by 3, right? And this 3 raised to 5 by 2 in the denominator. Let's bring this also up. It becomes minus 5 by 2. So add this to again the above base. So it becomes minus 5 by 2. The whole upon 10 raised to 4 by 3 as it is. Right? Now let's solve this only index. Minus 4y plus 2 plus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 2 equals to what? What is the LCM of 3 to 6? Bring everything to 6. So common denominator 6. Then this becomes 20 minus 24y plus 12 plus 8 and minus 15, right? 3 to the 6, so 4 to the 8, 2 3 is the 6, so 5 3 is the 15. So it becomes minus 24y plus 5 the whole upon 6. So what is LHS then? This is the index. What is LHS? 3 raised to minus 24y plus 5 the whole upon 6, the whole upon 10 raised to 4 by 3. This is the left hand side. Now we'll solve right hand side. Now let's solve RHS. RHS is what? 1 by 3 raised to 2i minus 5 into cube root of 27 raised to y minus 1 upon 10,000. Okay. Again the same logic. Bring everything to 3. So it becomes 3 raised to minus 1 raised to 2i minus 1 into this cube root becomes 1 by 3. So it becomes 3 raised to 3, right, into raised to y minus 1 upon 3. neatly understand this, minutely understand this. 3 raised to 3 is 27 raised to y minus 1 upon 3 means this is of cube root sign, right? Upon this 10,000 means what? 10 raised to 4 upon 3. 10,000 means 10 raised to 4 and this cube root is applicable to both. So it's 1 upon 3. Okay. Next. Then 3 raised to, what does this become? Minus 1, 2 raised to y minus 1 into 3 raised to 3 into y minus 1 upon 3. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So what remains? 3 raised to, this minus 1 will be multiplied with 2y and minus 5. So it becomes 3 raised to minus 2y plus 5, right? And the bases are same. So we will immediately add them. Plus y plus 1. This y plus 1 as it is. 3 has gone. Okay. Upon 10 raised to what? 4 upon 3. This 4 1 by 3 means 4 upon 3. Okay. Why? A raised to x raised to a raised to b is x raised to ab multiplication. Okay. So RHS is what? 3 raised to minus y minus 2y plus y minus y plus 4 upon 10 raised to 4 by 3. Now this is RHS. But what is given? LHS and RHS are equal. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to equate this LHS with RHS. Let's do that. So RHS is this whole big thing has come down to this, and this LHS, the whole big thing has come down to this part. LHS equals to RHS given. So what we'll do is 10 raised to 4 by 3 common on both the sides. LHS and RHS, remove it, not required. So what remains? 3 raised to minus 24y plus 5 upon 6 equals to 3 raised to minus y plus 4. Now bases are same, so indices can be equated. So we can now equate minus 24y plus 5 upon 6 equals to minus y plus 4. So now it becomes a simple equation. Take 6 on the other side, cross multiply. So minus 24y plus 5 equals to minus 6y plus 24. Take 6y on the other side. So minus 24y plus 6y equals to 5 on this side. 24 minus 5, that is 19. So it becomes minus 18y equals to 19. Therefore y equals to 19 upon minus 18, or minus 19 upon 18, or minus of 19 upon 18. Minus sign can be anywhere, to the numerator, to the denominator, or in common. Anything it can be. Okay, but that was the answer. Y equals to minus